turn off hidden words. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to do that on Tweets. So first thing, you can go to your Tweets and go to your profile. Then you have here this icon, which is a lock icon, and then here you have privacy settings. Click on hidden words, and here guys you can turn off hidden words to turn off hide replays. You don't offensive that contain offensive words, or you don't want to see. So all you need to do is turn off here and turn off here, and this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.